In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page size quickly in Microsoft Word. If you've ever started a document and then realized the paper size isn't what you need, this quick walkthrough will save you time and help your layout look exactly the way you want, whether you're preparing a letter, a legal form, or an international document. First, open your Word document. You can use an existing file or start a new blank one. Either way works. Once your document is open, look to the ribbon at the top of the screen. Click the Layout tab. This tab controls how your pages look and print, including margins, orientation, and the page size we're changing today. Inside the Layout tab, find the Page Setup group. In that group, click the button labeled Size. A menu will drop down with a list of common paper sizes. You'll see options like letter, legal, A4, and more. Click the size you want, and Word will adjust your document instantly. The text may reflow to fit the new page dimensions, so it's a good idea to scroll through a bit to make sure headings, tables, and images still look right. If your document has multiple pages, keep an eye on the total page count, as changing the size can add or reduce pages. If none of the preset sizes match what you need, go to the bottom of that size menu and click More Paper Sizes. This opens the Page Setup dialog. Here, enter the exact width and height you want. Word will display measurements in your default units, such as inches or millimeters. If you're working from a template or a print specification, type those values directly. When you're done, click OK, and your document will immediately resize to those custom dimensions. A couple of quick tips before you wrap up. If you're planning to print, make sure the size you've chosen is supported by your printer. Using Print Preview is a great way to confirm everything looks correct before you waste paper. Also, know that changing page size affects the current section of your document. If your file is divided into sections and only one section size changes, that's expected. If you want the same size everywhere, check that you're in the right section or apply the change across the full document. That's all you need to adjust page size quickly and confidently in Word. Open your document, go to Layout, choose Size, pick a preset or set a custom width and height, and click OK. Simple, fast, and effective.